everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Teach Me Tuesdays episode 288. And I'm going to show you November's mini masterpiece, which is so cute, and it coordinates with the one I did in October. I'm also going to show you the two new kits that are coming November. Now I don't have them yet. I'll show you them when I actually get them. I just have pictures of them, but you can start to order those today. And so just go to my store and put the names in, and I'll show you what they are. So yeah, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome to my channel. If you are new, I'm in the chat room during the video premiere, so head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. Otherwise, if you have a question or a comment and you're watching the replay, just leave it below. YouTube lets me know, and then I can reach out to you. So today's video will be super quick, so I can show you those. And so let's get started. All right, so close your eyes for a second while I get my camera adjusted. Little mini masterpieces, and they're just a little tiny, I just call them mini masterpiece. And I put it in your thank you card the following month. So this is the one that you could earn in October. So if you order 75 before tax and shipping in my store during the month, I have a different little mini masterpiece that I put in your thank you card. And these go out the first week or so of the following month. So these are the ones that you could earn in October, and these will be going out the beginning of November. So I just have to wait for the reports to finalize, and then I get it all figured out. But so this was the little one I did in October, and this is from an old stamp set. I like to pull out my old retired stuff and give them a little bit of love. And this one was called Snow Angels. I don't know if I have a date on it. I just have Snow Angels, but I just thought, oh, too cute. So this was October. So I want to show you November's, and it's the same. Now it could be the same kid, or maybe it's a sibling, but look how cute this one is. So this little guy is making snow angels in the snow, and what I did was I actually added, it's hard to see if you can see it, if the camera will focus on it, I added some puff paint. So I just added some puff paint. Now I do have a link to this in my if you go over to my blog and my favorite things, I did link to that because I got it off of Amazon. But it's really cute. So I just added some puff paint, and then I sprinkled some glitter in it while it was still a little wet. But it makes it look like the snow is piled up, and I just thought that made it look even more adorable. But he is so fun. So yeah, I thought, you know what, I'm going to put these two together, and you can do whatever you want with them. So hopefully, if you earned one in October, you'll be excited to earn this little guy in November. So to help you reach that 75, we have two new kits. So this is the Everyday Beauty Kit, and this does 9 cards. Now I'm not sure the price. I got the pictures. I printed these out. So I didn't have the item code or the price because I printed this out before they were available in the United States. But this at least will show you. But these are available November the 4th. And then Adventure Awaits. Oh my God, they're both very cute. This is very pretty, and it has I think they said there's like these things are like little wax things, almost like you would put on in the old-fashioned days when they would do a letter, and then they would drip the hot wax, and then they would put their initial or whatever, and then they would give it to somebody to deliver the letter, right? And that made them not open it because they didn't break that wax seal. So that's, I believe, they were calling them that, whether they're wax or not. But and then this one, Adventure Waits Kit. Look at these cute cars. Very retro. So I have a feeling that this one might run out quick, right? So I'm just guessing. I have no idea. I do not have a crystal ball to know, but it's super cute. And the envelopes are adorable. So, because I know I will be getting a couple of this one. I don't know. I mean, I'll get one of this just so I can show you. Sometimes I don't get the kits, right? Like sometimes I'm like, well, that's not really my style or whatever. I would rather get multiples of the one I really like. But sometimes it's like, oh, okay. So I think I'll probably just get one and then I'll get multiples of this one because it is too cute. But so anyway, so that is the kits for November. And I just want to remind you, my class in the mail kit for November is going to be the Gingerbread Man, I have this wrong, the Gingerbread Man bundle. And this is $77. It includes the bundle. You'll be doing 5 projects, and this will go out, around the week of November 24th. So I have just a couple left, and because I've got some things that are non-Stampin' Up, so I only have so many of them. So make sure you sign up for that as soon as you can, and that is USA only. All right, so let me get that little guy there so you can see how cute he is again, because I just love how he turned out. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. I get all like tongue-tied. I get so much I want to talk about, and then I get going, oh, what was I going to say? So yeah, so hopefully you'll think he's really cute and you'll want to get him. Now keep in mind that 75 does not have to be in one order. It just needs to be 75 in the month of November. So you might order a $50 order, at the beginning of the month, and then like towards the end of the month or whenever, you might go, oh, I need that too. And then those 2 orders together come to 75 before tax and shipping, and then that counts. That's why I don't send them till the following month, because then you've had that whole month to reach that qualifying order. And then it also, so I'm not like making them like, oh, I need to make one. So then I make them at the end of the month, because then I know, okay, I need to make 20 of these or 1 or whatever kind of month it was. So if you have any questions at all about what I blabbed about today, just make sure you holler at me. Make sure you come back Friday for my Dies Shorts, and that will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you Friday. All right, bye for now.